Vandeham Sri Guru.
The following is a class on the Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto, 10th chapter, text number 14, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on the 27th of June, 1973, in Mayapur, India.
Sri Rupam Chakrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanvitam Tvam Sajivam Sataitam Jaya Radha Madhava Kunjo Bihari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunjo Bihari Gopi Jana Vallabha Giri Varadhari Gopi Jana Vallabha Giri Varadhari Radha Madhava Kunjo Bihari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Gopi Jana Vallabha Giri Varadhari Gopi Jana Vallabha Gopi Jana Vallabha Giri Varadhari Gopi Jana Vallabha Giri Varadhari Yashodanandana Braja Jana Ranjana Yashodanandana Braja Jana Ranjana Yamuna Tira Manasari Yamuna Tira Manasari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunjo Bihari Jaya Radha Madhava Kunjo Bihari Gopi Jana Vallabha Giri Varadhari 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 Yashodanandana Braja Jana Ranjana Yashodanandana Braja Jana Ranjana स्वयं स्मात् परमंस परिव्राजकाचार्य चित्तर सदस्मात् भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी प्रभुपाद की जय। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव मंडल की जय। नामाचार्य श्री हरिदास ठाकुर की जय। प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद की जय। श्री श्री राधा कृष्ण गोपनाथ श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड गिरिवर्धन की जय। वृंदावन धाम की जय। नवद्वीप धाम की जय। गंगा माई की जय। जमुना माई की जय। तुलसी देवी की जय। भक्ति देवी की जय। स्वामित भक्तवृंद की जय। All glories to the Assembled Lord. All glories to the Assembled Lord. All glories to the Assembled Lord. Thank you very much.
Udgaladbashpam Yarundanudgaladbashpam Utkandya Devaki Sute Urganya Devaki Sute Niryatyagara no Bhadram Niryatyagara no Bhadram Iti syad bandhavastriya Iti syad bandhavastriya
You can practice this diacritic map, English transliteration is there. It is not very difficult. Simply if you practice twice, thrice, 4 times, it will come exactly, the pronunciation. You have to learn the diacritic mark, then it will be all right. What meaning?
Nirundhan, checking with great difficulty. Udgalat, overflowing. Bashpam, tears. Utkantyat, because of great anxiety. Devaki Sute, unto the son of Devaki. Niryati, having come out. Ogarat, from the palace. Naha, not. Abhadram, inauspiciousness. Iti, thus. Syat, may happen. Bandhava, relative. Striyaha, ladies. Translation. The female relatives, whose eyes were flooded with tears out of anxiety for Krishna, came out of the palace. They could only stop their tears with great difficulty. They feared that tears would cause misfortune at the time of departure.
Ladies, generally, they are very much apt to shed tears in ecstatic moment. So, Krishna was going from Hastinapur, and all of them, all the Pandavas, not only ladies, the men also, they are very, very much affected. We have already discussed in the previous verses. Especially the ladies, they could not check their tears forcibly coming out. But at the same time, they are thinking that Krishna is going, everything must be auspicious. There may not be something inauspicious. So, they were in a very perplexed position. Tears were coming by force and they wanted to check it so that there may not be any inauspicity in the matter of Krishna's departure. This is the picture. So, these are all symptoms of love for Krishna. That is the highest perfection of life. To shed tears for Krishna. Jugaitam nimishena chakshusha pravishaitam. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught us this method of worship in separation. Vipralambha seva. Not that, oh, I have seen yesterday, last night, I have seen Krishna, he was snatching my cloth. These are sahajiyas. Actually, our worship should be in separation. The Goswamis also taught us like that. He Radhe Brajadevi Kecha Lalite, He Krishna Kutaha. They in the Vrindavan remain authorized persons. They are also searching after Krishna. They never said that we have got Krishna. Never said. He Radhe Brajadevi Kecha Lalite, He Nanda Suna Kutaha, Sri Govardhana Padapatale, Kalindi Bane Kutaha, Ghosantaviti Khedai Mahabhuvalo. Simply Khedai Mahabhuvalo. They were lamenting in separation. Bande Rupa Sanatanam Raghujigo, Sri Jiva Gopal. So this is the process of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's verse. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was falling down on the water. Oh, I could not see Krishna. When he was Grihastha, he was simply consulting with Mother. Mother, I could not realize Krishna. What shall I do? Where shall I go? Mother said, my dear son, why you are impatient? Everything will be all right in due course. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving indication that I must leave home. Mother was also understanding that this boy wants to leave us. That was another perplexed position. So, that is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's teaching. Jugaitam nimishena chakshusha pravishaitam sunnaitam jagat sarvam govinda virahena me. Govinda virahena. In separation from Govinda, I am thinking one moment as 12 years. Some of you or all of us have got this experience. If we want something very, very eagerly, then every moment becomes a long time. Oh, it is not yet received, it is not yet received. It is not yet done. Jugaitang nimishena. Nimish, a moment. Twinkling of an eye, that is called nimish. And that appears to be 12 years. The gopis could not tolerate even twinkling of eyes. They were condemning the Creator. The Creator does not know the art of creating. Why He has created this twinkling of eyes so that it is disturbing us from seeing Krishna. Or seeing Krishna, the twinkling of eyes, that is natural. So the gopis did not like it. So why He has created this? He does not know the art of creation. This is love. Juga, they say. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu tested the gopis' feeling. Sri Chaitanyakha prakatam adhuna taddayam chaikkamaktam Radha Krishna pranaya vikiti alladini shakti. Krishna, when he wants to enjoy, he is absolute, supreme person, spirit, absolute, supreme spirit. So, for spiritual enjoyment in this material world, great saintly persons, sages, they give up all material enjoyment just to taste what is spiritual enjoyment, spiritual life, brahmanubhuti. They give up everything. Tapasa brahmacharjena, by austerity, brahmacharya, jamena, niyamena, tyagena, satta saucha bhyam. So many processes they adopt for tasting a little brahmanubhuti. Brahma sukhanubhutya. Dasangatanang paradaivati. So Sukadeva Goswami said, here the Krishna here is playing with the cowherd's boys. Who is he? Ithang satang brahma sukhanubhutya. The great sages, saintly person who are trying to test the spiritual realization. That is here. He is playing as cowherd boy. Dasangatanang paradayivate. And those who are devotees, for them, he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Maya sitanang naradar. And those who are Maya srita, they are thinking this Krishna is ordinary human child. Sadhang vijarhu kritapunna punya. So, with this boy, transcendental Krishna, cowherd boy, the other boys who are playing, they are not ordinary men. Kritapunna punya. They accumulated pious activities life after life for many, many thousands and millions of lives. Now they have got the opportunity to play with Krishna. So this Krishna consciousness movement is very serious and important. Here are the signs how they love Krishna. One side that they cannot check the tears coming out, Krishna is going on. Another side, if I say tears, then there may be inauspicity. How much perplexity? Two sides, dilemma between the horns of Srila and Charity. That is the position. The lover, intense love creates such situation, as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu exhibited. Juga-itam nimisina, chakshusha pravishaya, sunnayitam jagat sat, Govinda virahina. Without seeing Govinda, the whole world is vacant. This is love. Let me try to become Krishna conscious. If it is done, all right. If it is not done, I shall remain in my position. What is the loss? Not like that. One must be so eager that without Krishna consciousness, one should become mad. One should become mad. That is Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's teaching, separation, not direct contact. Direct contact is not possible. Neither that is the way of worshipping by the method of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That is Sahajyava. I am talking with Krishna. Krishna is snatching my clothes. There is a book, one lady has written, his experience, that Krishna comes, he talks with her and snatches her cloth. She has written openly. But this is not Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's way. There is one gentleman, Mr. Rai, in Pune, and she has got also a woman. Also, everyone must have a woman. Parakya. This is Sahajyava. This is Sahajyava. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu never said, this is the Parakya Rasa. One should have one woman. No. He observed complete sannyas life. Rather, there was very, very severe, rigid restriction about women. So now these Sahajyas, they are going on in the name of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Aul Baul Katha Vajar Nara Darvish Hai, Sahajya Sakivati, like that, so many. They are apasampradaya. Real Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sampradaya is that he should be feeling like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, separation, not Sambho, Vipralamba. Vipralamba Siva. Oh, I am so wretched. I could not serve Krishna. How I can see Krishna? It is not possible. In this way, that is the teaching of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But even though I do not see him, neither it is possible for me to see him. Because what I am an insignificant person. Why Krishna come and see me? This is right. Why shall I aspire after seeing Krishna? What qualification I have got? This is bhajan. This is bhajan. Why should I be proud then now I shall see Krishna. What I am. That is the teaching of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Aslisya vapadartang pinastamam marmahatang karotuba adarsana. Adarsana. Without giving me audience, you kill me, you break my heart. Still you are my Lord, you are my worshipful Lord. Nobody else. This is love. This is love. Ashen Krishna golai diva, nale bheje khab. Not like that. Krishna may not come. I may not see Krishna for thousands and thousands of lives. I may rot in the hellish condition of life for many, many births. That doesn't matter. Still I cannot give up Krishna consciousness. This is required. I may be sent to hell, heaven, it doesn't matter. What qualification I have got that I want to see back to home, back to Godhead? It is not so easy thing. So why should I be sorry for that? I should be happy even in the hell simply by thinking of Krishna. That is one. That is one. That is Krishna consciousness. So here is the example. Tears by force of coming out. Krishna is going on. At the same time you want to check. There may not be any inauspicity for Krishna. The thinking Krishna, for Krishna, not for personal self. Oh, I am now crying, I have become very much fortunate. I am crying for Krishna. No. My crying will create inauspicity to Krishna, I must check it. This is Krishna. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.